Okay class, let us start with another very important question of exercise 10A. That's question number 32. Listen to it very carefully to understand it better. It says, Vinod sold a watch to Arun at a gain of 12%. So the first person is Vinod. He is selling it to Arun at a gain of 12% profit. Then Arun is selling it further to Vinod at a loss of 5%. Further it says Manoj paid rupees 3990. Manoj paid, that means that is the cost price Manoj has the watch for. That is rupees 3990. Manoj has paid this much from the pocket, so this is the cost price of Vinod. How much Vinod pay in the beginning? I repeat, Vinod has sold it to Arun at a 12% profit. Arun to Vinod, not Vinod, Arun to Manoj. Arun to Manoj at a loss of 5%. Cost price of Manoj is given as 3990. So there are three people. First is Vinod, who sold it to Arun with a profit. Second person is Arun, he sold it to Manoj. Manoj is the third one at 5% loss, and the money Manoj paid from his pocket is 3990. So the question is asking how much Vinod paid for in the beginning. That means CP of Vinod is missing. Let the CP by Vinod is X rupees. I am taking the basic layman method to make you understand this question. Now he sold it with a profit. So SP is equal to CP plus profit. So SP for whom Vinod is selling. So SP for Vinod is equal to cost price X plus profit is 12%. 12% of what? 12% of the cost price. That is 12 into X by 100. So the SP is, take the LCM 100. 100 plus 12, 112 X rupees. This is the SP of Vinod. Now Vinod has sold it to Arun. So if this is the SP of Vinod, this same value is the CP for Arun. Now for Arun, CP is how much? This much, 112x by 100 rupees. There was a loss. He got a loss of 5% and sold it to Manoj. So what is the selling price? CP minus loss. Whose selling price? Arun's. His cost price was 112x by 100. Loss was 5%. So 112x by 100 into 5%. Right? So this is 112x by 100. Let's cancel it here. 5, 20 with 2, 10 with 2, 2 5s are 2 6s are. So minus 56x by 1000. I'm not cutting it further to make the zeros easy for your LCM. Now, SP of Arun is how much? We take the LCM as 1000. Divide it here 10. So 1120x minus 56x. Now SP of Arun, further we are getting it solved upon 1000. Now 1120 minus 56. 10 minus 6, 4, 11 and 5, 6. So 1064. If you want to reduce it here, you can do it that way also. Now, this is the SP of Arun. Arun has sold it further to Manoj. So whatever is the SP of Arun will be the CP for Manoj. For Manoj, the CP is 10, let's put X here again. 1064x upon 1000 rupees. Now CP of Manoj is already given 3990. So 3990 is 1064 by 1000 x. You leave x here, cross multiply, so your x becomes 3990 into 1000 upon 1064. If you solve this value, this will be the x. X means cost price for Vinod. That means this much money, whatever answer you get here, this much money Vinod has paid in the beginning as the cost price. I repeat, 3 people are there, Vinod, Arun and Manoj. Vinod sold it to Arun, 12% profit. So SP is CP plus profit, and you added it here 112x by 100. This is the selling price of Vinod. That means Vinod has sold for this much. Now as Vinod has sold, who has bought? Arun. So what means Vinod has given, Arun has that as cost price. So SP of Vinod is the CP of Arun. So CP of Arun is this, loss is 5%. So we try to calculate it 5% and we got the SP of Arun. Now Arun has further sold it to Manoj. So this is the selling price for Arun and cost price for Manoj. But Manoj's cost price is already given to us. So we put the value and we found X, that is the cost price for, we know that how much he bought it for in the beginning.